Um, okay, so to get started off with standard form, when we begin standard form, one thing which is very important that you need to know is that standard form does use a hint of laws of indices. Okay, like a little bit of laws of indices is used in standard form. So I would advise you कि before you start बस आप एक थोड़ा सा go over कर दो laws of indices, which is why हमने भी इससे पहले laws of indices पढ़ा था ताकि आपको एक background हो laws of indices. Correct? Now, what is standard form? देखो, standard form is very simple. Standard form is basically when you have, let's say, you have a very big number. Let's say you have to write a check. Let's say the check is of 43000. Okay. This is it's very easy. It's like 430,000. What if मैं गलती से इस number में से एक zero कम लिख दूँ अपने check पे? That's going from 430,000 to 43,000. That's a huge mishap. What if you're writing a recipe for a big restaurant? Okay? All of these things would tell us कि ओ ये तो आपने एक जीरो कट किया तो सब कुछ खराब केमिकल बना रहे हो किसी चीज की कोई क्वांटिटी डिसाइड कर रहे हो एक जीरो ऊपर नीचे हुआ आपकी पूरी चीज इज डिस्ट्रॉयड इट्स नॉट लाइक अ माइन्यूट डिफरेंस सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज लेट्स से यू आर सपोज टू पुट 400 grams of salt in let's say a very big dish आप गलती से 4,000 grams डाल दो आपकी तो डिश खराब राइट एग्जैक्टली तो इस वजह से व्हाट वी डू इज हम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म को इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं all these zeros that you have you eliminate these zeros and write them as a power of 10 it's easier because zeros ही नहीं है तो मैं कौन सा जीरो मेट करूंगी जो जीरो है नहीं let's say I have 43000 43,000 ठीक है if I would want to write this in standard form the decimal is at the end of the number because there is no decimal that means point पर है you'll move it 1 2 3 4 places okay and the number will become 4.3 times 10 to the power 4 now the question is कि मिस हमें कैसे पता कि हमने कहाँ मूव करना है कितने डेसिमल मूव करना है उसका बहुत सिंपल सा इजी सा ट्रिक है standard form states that you can only have one digit from 1 to 9 before the decimal ठीक है बाकी जितने digits हैं वो decimal के बाद got it so you can only have one digit from 1 to 9 before the decimal clear that's it. That's how simple it is. Okay. Now, writing a number just like this, that's called ordinary form. And writing a number in standard form is when you have it as a power of 10 to the power of, as a power of 10. Got it? Okay, great. Good job. So, this is ordinary form. And they do sometimes ask you from standard form to write a number in ordinary form. कभी कभार I've seen a question or they might ask you from ordinary form to write it in standard form. It's very simple. Or just remember, ठीक है अब how would you know the power is supposed to be positive? How would you know the power is supposed to be negative? It's common sense. Obviously एक बहुत बड़ा नंबर है मैं उसको इतना छोटा सा टाइनी सा नंबर बना रही हूँ obviously power positive होगी ना राइट बट एक बहुत माइन्यूट सा नंबर है लाइक 0.0000986 तो ऑब्वियसली मैं उस नंबर को बड़ा कर दूँ दिस इज अ स्मॉलर नंबर देन दिस नंबर सो पावर विल बी नेगेटिव गॉट इट and how many places you will move it's very simple you can only have one number before the decimal तो आप decimal को इतना move करोगे सिर्फ एक number रहने decimal से पहले clear okay good job you wanna try one okay बल्कि let's try one together पहले जल्दी से I am going to do let's which one should I do with you let me think okay I think I'm going to do this one with you this one F part okay now the decimal is at the very end which means the decimal is right here okay because there's no decimal that means it's at the very end I'm going to move it in such a way itni places ke mere sirf ek number reh jaye after the decimal so it's going to be one place here then one place here then another place then another place and then another place so I have moved 1 2 3 4 places correct that means my power of 10 will be 4 and so this will become 8.346 times 10 to the power of 4 and that is my answer got it was that simple I think that was very simple okay I want you to try two parts okay you can give me your answers I want you to try E part and K part the one which I labeled highlighted good luck quickly and the power is positive because obviously it's common sense you're making a bigger number into a smaller one ठीक है तो power becomes positive any answer okay what are the answers 1.26 into 10 power. Good job. Next one. Absolutely correct. Well done. See, was that hard? Okay. Now, what about if we have numbers like these? अब देखो, can you see the number of zeros? It's ginormous. इतने ज़्यादा zeros हैं. इतना मुश्किल हो जाएगा अगर मेरे पास standard form ना होता. I'm gonna do one with you. I'm going to do this part with you. Okay. So once again, moving my decimal. So it's going to move. If I move my decimal, it's going to move 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will become 5.6 times 10 to the power of minus 4, right? Because it's a smaller number. Acha, one more thing. 0.3 is not standard form because you need to have one digit before the decimal. Yet 0 is from 1 to 9. So this is not standard form. Just remember that, okay? Okay. Why don't you try H part and D part? Good luck. Once you have the answer, you can let me know. Any luck? Okay. What happened? What will the answer? Minus 7. Okay, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 10 to the power minus 6. Okay? Because look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And other one would be 3.48 times 10 to the power 1, 2. Yes. There you go. Then you have both answers. Clear? Okay, once again, they might also ask you to write numbers in ordinary form. The ordinary form is very simple. Power 4 है, positive power है. You will move your decimal to the right. ठीक है. Basically number को आपने बड़ा करना है. तो I will just move it. कितनी जो power है 10 की उतनी आपने places move करना है. So 4 है power, so you will move it 4 places. Like this. Okay. So it was, for example, it was 3.43. So I moved it 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. And जितनी places में empty थी वहाँ 0 लगा दिया. This would be the number. Clear? Okay, try these two parts. Good luck. These two. Okay, what is the answer? Okay, 9,870 is the answer for this one. Well done, good job. Okay, you just have to move. It's a positive power, so you have to move the decimal to the right. Kitne places? 3 places. Okay, so first one, what is the answer? That is absolutely correct. The answer is going to be, it's ordinary form. Ordinary form means without standard form. Okay. So let's try this one. Isme maybe you have to write it down. I would write it down if I were you. So it's going to be 2.56. Okay, you have to move it how many places? 8 places to the left because power is negative. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this is the decimal. So baki side would be the zeros underneath. Be very careful. So it's going to become this number. Yes. What is the answer for the first one? Is it this one? It's going to be 0.1234567 zeros. Yes, good job, well done. And what about the second one? Is it 9,870? Absolutely correct, well done. Okay, acha, moving on. This was very easy. Ordinary form में लिखना था, was way too easy. ठीक है, अब this is now the case where you have to either multiply or divide in standard form, and believe me, it is the easiest. ठीक है, इसमें बिल्कुल भी कुछ is there's nothing hard. Okay, so let's have a look. Basically आपने क्या करना है, look, in standard form you know, ठीक है, in laws of indices हमें याद है, in laws of indices that if you have same bases and you have a multiply sign in between, what do? You add the powers, correct? तो 10 की पावर्स तो आप एज इट इज ऐड कर दोगे, बाकी जो होल नंबर्स होंगे ना, लाइक 3 टाइम्स 2.5, उनको आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. दिस इज विदाउट अ कैलकुलेटर बाय द वे, ठीक है. और लेट्स से आपका आंसर स्टैंड फॉर्म में नहीं आता, फिर आप स्टैंड फॉर्म में कर दोगे, लेकिन अगर स्टैंड फॉर्म में आ जाता तो इट वाज सिंपली बी, इन दिस केस 3 टाइम्स 2.5 is 7.5. Okay, 10 to the power 3 and 10 to the power 5. There's a multiply sign, so you add the powers. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So this would be the final answer. Simple and easy. Got it? Okay. You want to try a question? No? You want to try it on your own? Here you go. This is the question. Good luck. Remember, if your answer doesn't come out to be in standard form, like when you multiply the whole numbers, you have to convert it into standard form. Okay? Okay. Over here, what you're going to do is 4 times 2. Okay, पहले whole numbers multiply कर दिया. I will give you 4 times 2, which is 8. Now 8 is in standard form, luckily. So all you need to do is, because the power of 10s are the same, the base of 10 is the same, and there's a multiply sign in between, you're going to add the powers. So it's going to become 8 times 10 to the power of 9. Yes, good job. 8 to the power, 8 times 10 to the power 9. Absolutely correct. Good job. Well done. Okay. Okay, here's one more. This is, I think, just a little harder, not very, but thoda sa mushkil. Yeah, but when you multiply, you'll notice that the answer doesn't come out in standard form. Okay. 3 times 8, that gives you 24. Oh, 24 is not standard form because you can only have one digit before the decimal. यहाँ तो दो हैं, तो okay, I'll still write it down 24. And if I add the powers, 4 plus 2 is 6, so 10 to the power 6. But this was not in standard form, so I'll convert it by moving the decimal one place behind. Since I'm making a bigger number into a smaller number, 24 था, so 2.4 बना दिया, छोटा बन गया, so you'll add 1 into the power. So it will become 2.4 times 10 to the power of 7. Simple and easy. Here you go. 10 to the power 6. No, that's the problem. 24 times 10 to the power 6 is not in standard form. नहीं ना. अच्छा देखो, आप लगाओगे, आप मूव करोगे ना, तो आप अपने डेसिमल को 1 प्लेस पीछे मूव कर रहे हो, एक बड़े नंबर को छोटा नंबर बना रहे हो. सो पावर में 10 की पावर में एक एडिशन हो जाएगी. सो द आंसर शुड बी 2.4 times 10 to the power 7. Got it? Clear? Because देखो ना, I wanted, this is not in standard form. 24 is not standard form. So if I want to move it एक place पीछे, I need to move the decimal एक place पीछे, right? So I'm making a bigger number into a smaller number. So it will become 2.4 times 10 to the power of 7. You add 1 to the power. Let's say it was a smaller number, but I was making it a bigger number. So you would subtract from the power. Got it? Okay, try this one. This is an even harder one. Decimal multiplication without a calculator. Do you know how to do decimal multiplication without a calculator? Okay, if you want, we can do this one together. साथ कर लें, इकट्ठे कर लें. Okay, let's do it together. Have a look. Okay, देखो, the question over here is 2.6 times 10 to the power 5 times by 7.2 times 10 to the power minus 2. ठीक है, सबसे पहले तो मैं अपने होल नंबर्स को होल नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर देती हूँ. आई विल मल्टीप्लाई 2.6 विद 7.2. ठीक है, डेसिमल मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज वेरी इजी. आपने जब मल्टीप्लिकेशन करनी है ना, तो यू गोइंग टू इग्नोर द डेसिमल्स. तो मैं सिर्फ क्या मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी, आई विल मल्टीप्लाई 72 विद 26. गॉट इट? अभी के लिए. सो 6 times 2 is going to give me 12. So 2 here, 1 up. 6 times 7 is going to give me 42. 42 plus 1 is 43. Correct? If you remember from two digit to two digit multiplication, you add a cross or a zero before you start to multiply two. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 7 is 14. I would advise you कि आप carry remove कर दिया करो, otherwise I've heard की confusion होती है. तो you're going to add the answer. It's going to give you 2 plus 0 is 2, 4 plus 3 is 7, 4 plus 4 is 8, and 1 plus यहाँ कुछ भी नहीं था तो 1 plus 0 is going to be 1. Okay. Okay. This is not the final answer. What you do is this is about multiplication. Okay. Either the decimal was either the number is one decimal place, correct? Either be the number is one decimal place, correct? Okay, so you add the number of decimal places because there's a multiply sign in between. So that means the answer should have two decimal places. So आप अपने answer में 1 and 2 decimal place डाल दोगे. So your answer should be 18.72. Got it? Okay. 10 के साथ तो it's very simple. All you do is you add the powers. So अब ये नहीं करना. Also 5 plus 2 नहीं करना. 5 plus minus 2 करना है because इधर 10 की power minus 2 है. Okay. So this will give you times 10 to the power 5 plus minus 2, so that will become 3, so 10 to the power 3. But my answer right here is not in standard form because it's 18.72. I am only allowed to have one decimal before, I'm only allowed to have one number before the decimal. The decimal 8 point पीछे जाएगा. So this will become 1.872 times 10 to the power 4. That will be the final answer. Well done. Good job. Clear? And I'm going to check the correct and this is the answer. Clear? Now moving on to division case. Division case is exactly the same. ठीक है. The only difference is वहाँ laws of indices इस तरह से apply होती हैं कि look, if bases are the same, bases same है और division का sign है तो laws of indices, if you remember it asked us to subtract the powers. Remember? So you're going to divide the whole numbers. जो भी answer आएगा, if it's not in standard form, remember you have to convert it. वो आपको आता है किस तरह से. And then what you do is you subtract the powers. In this case, 4.8 divided by 4. Okay, one more thing. If you do not remember how to do decimal division, it's very simple. मैंने करना है 4.8 divided by 4, right? If I am dividing 4.8 with 4, I can write it as a fraction. It's the same thing, correct? Okay, it's the same thing. It's still division. My goal is कि मैं decimal division में इस तरह से पढ़ूँ ना. I'm going to multiply by 10 or 100 or 1000 ताकि मेरा जो decimal है वो whole number बन जाए. So I'm going to multiply with 10 in the numerator and denominator. Why am I multiplying in the denominator? ताकि मेरा effect cancel out हो जाए. ठीक है? ताकि मेरा final answer नहीं effect होगा. So this is going to become 48 over 40. Clear? इसको आप सिंप्लीफाई करोगे 48 over 40 को. I think that both of them are divisible by the table of 4. So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 10 is 40. So 12 over 10 is 1.2 because anything divided by 10, 100 or 1000, ठीक है, any number divided by them वो decimal उतने places पीछे move करता है. Clear? So it's going to become 1.2 times 10 to the power 11 because power subtract होंगी. 15 minus 4 is 11. Got it? Okay. Here you go. Try this one. Good luck. And make sure you remember how to do decimal division. Let's wait for the answers. Remember that 0.3, 0.7 are not standard form because one digit from 1 to 9 needs to be before the decimal. 0 is not from 1 to 9. Okay? So which is why you will convert it into standard form. And if you're making a smaller number, which is 0.3, 0.3 is a smaller number, right? So you're making a smaller number into a bigger number, you will subtract from the power. Depends कि आप कितने places move कर रहे हो. What is the answer? No. Try again. That's not the correct answer. Nine times 10 to the power of 4. Let's check. Good job. Well done. That is the correct answer. ठीक है, because it was 0.9, not in standard form, and 10 to the power 5 था, तो I made a smaller number into a bigger number, so I subtracted from 1 from the power. Good job. Well done. Absolutely correct. Any updates on the answer? Do you need help? देखो simplify करो ना, simplify. Do simplification. 27 over 30. 2 के टेबल में नहीं आते बिकॉज 27 इज एन ऑड नंबर. 3 के टेबल में चेक करो. 3 times 9 times is 27, so it will become 9 over, denominator will be 10, and anything divided by 10, 100 or 1000 simply decimal ban jata. So 9 over 10 is going to be 0.9. Okay, and so what is the answer going to be? 0.9 times 10 to the power 5. But that's not the answer. Because I told you, you need to have one digit from 1 to 9. So you will make the number bigger. Okay? Do you want me to give you another one? That's it. Try this one out. Good luck. This one. Okay, let's try this again. We'll do this one together because it seems a little scary. So we'll do it together and we'll probably have no problem once we're done with one question. Okay? Okay, have a look. It is 4.9 divided by 7, right? Once again, I have to. So 4.9 divided by 7. I'm going to write it as a fraction. It's a decimal. I don't want to deal with decimal. So I will multiply with 10 on the top and the bottom. ठीक है ताकि अब multiplying by 10, 100 or 1000 depends कि आपके कितने decimal places है. मेरा सिर्फ one decimal place है. So if I multiply it with 10, the decimal will move one place ahead. It will become 49. This will become 49 over 70. ठीक है. We all know 49 and 70 both come in the table of 7. So 7 times 7 is 49 and 7 times 10 is 70. So the answer will be 0.7. ठीक है. ये तो मेरी division होगी. So this is going to be 0.7. Powers को you have to subtract. Please remember कि आप -5 -4 करोगे. 5 -4 नहीं करोगे because the power is -4. So if I subtract the powers of 10 because there's division sign in between, 10 to the power -5 -4 will give me 10 to the power -9. That is not my final answer. Why? Because this number is not in standard form. I will move it one place ahead. I'm making a smaller number into a bigger number, so I will subtract from the power. So my final answer should be 7 times 10 to the power -10. Simple. Done. Now let's go back and also have a look. Up to the power -10 because you subtract 1 from the power, not add. आपका पहले आंसर आया था 10 to the power -9, करेक्ट. ठीक है, तो आपने 0.7 था ना, यू मेड अ स्मॉलर नंबर इनटू अ बिगर नंबर, तो वो क्या बन गया 7. You will subtract 1 from the power, so -9 -1 give you -10 as the power. Got it? And that's it. ये था स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, इतना आसान. That's it. Done. No, इसका कुछ भी नहीं है. That's it. अब हम थोड़े से पास्ट पेपर क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. ठीक है, this is, I don't know the year, but this is from my past paper. ठीक है, तो let's have a look at it. Okay, these are two parts, part A and part B. I'm assuming कि ज़्यादा part A is linked to standard form, but sure हम part B भी कर ही लेंगे. Since we're doing them anyways, तो हम दोनों parts कर लेंगे. ठीक है, let's have a look. It's very easy. It's very easy. वही मैं कह रही हूँ कि I have seen questions from standard form, but not very, often. Okay, let's have a look. A part is we're going to do it together, although I know you know how to do standard form by now. Okay, it is right 0.00002 in standard form. Okay, so we know that you can only have one number before the decimal digit from 1 to 9. Okay, that's going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places. So it's going to become 2 to the 2 times 10 to the power of -5 because yes. अच्छा, this one is not very much linked to standard form, but थोड़ा सा इसके अंदर concept आता है standard form. Like for example, look, सबसे पहले तो ना इसमें आपने क्या करना है कि you're going to identify, इसने कहा from smallest first, right? In these amounts in the order from smallest. आपने सबसे पहले hand pick करना है कि कौन कौन से ऐसे numbers हैं जिनकी 10 की power smallest है. Luckily एक ही number है सिर्फ, so it's going to go in the first place. It's going to be the smallest one. Got it? That's going to be 7.6 times 10 to the power of 6. अब इससे बड़ा power is 7 over here, but वो दो numbers हैं, वो ये भी है और ये भी है. So it's going to become, yes, it's going to be Vietnam. Why? Because पहले आपने power compare की, it was 7 which was after 6 which was bigger than 6. ठीक है, but the number multiplying with 10 to the power 7 is smaller in Vietnam. It's 2.1, so that's why that's going to come after Brazil. So it's going to become 2.1 times 10 to the power 7. And obviously the next one would be India, which would be 8.0 times 10 to the power of 7, and last but not least, it's going to be China, which is going to be 1.2 times 10 to the power of 8. Got it? No, they said write these amounts. Okay? Okay. Okay, next question is from October, November, or May, June? The one that you were telling me, कौन सा है वो October, November, or is it May? Oh. Okay, we'll do it together. October, November, P12. Okay, opening it. Okay, October, November 2018. I'm opening it. Let's do it together. Question number it is. What is the question number? 9. Question 9. Let's have a look. I think it's paper one. So I mean you cannot use a calculator. Okay? Just remember. That's how it is. Okay, it's just. Let's have a look. Just 1 minute. I'm bringing the question as well. Question number 9. Yes, I see there are 3 parts and I like this. Let's have a look. It's a fun question, it seems. It's very easy. Okay, here it is. No, we'll do it together, don't worry. Just, I'm bringing it just 1 minute. Let me paste it here. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, इसके 3 parts हैं A, B and C. ठीक है, A and B part are going to be very easy, but I'm going to do all of them as promised with you. ठीक है, just let me make it big enough for us to see. Just 1 minute को ऊपर ले जाएं एक part को, बाकी 2 parts हम नीचे लिख लेंगे. Just 1 minute. What did he say? So he did not say Tarif. Oh. So he didn't do Tarif of anybody or just you? I think he's just surreal in that way. कोई नहीं. Okay, let's have a look. अच्छा, पहले हम A part करते हैं. A part is evaluate the following by giving answers in standard form. So it's going to be P times Q, and we're going to multiply. Very simple. हम लिख लेते हैं अपने numbers. So it's going to become 8 times 10 to the power of minus 6 times by 2 to the power 2 times 10 to the power 11. ठीक है? You can multiply the whole numbers. So it's going to become 8 times 2, which is 16. Correct? Okay, and since there's a multiply sign in between and the bases of 10 are the same, you're going to add the powers of 10. So minus 6 plus 11, not 6 plus 11, minus 6 plus 11 is 5. So it's going to give you 10 to the power of 5. But this number is not in standard form. No, it's going to be plus 5 because minus 6 plus 11 है ना. So the sign is with the bigger numbers. 11 के साथ positive का sign है. So the sign of the final answer is decided upon the sign of the bigger number. Okay? Okay. Next one. This is not in standard form. So to convert it into standard form, I will move the decimal 1 place behind. I'm making a bigger number into a smaller one. So it's going to become 1.6 times 10 to the power of 6. You add 1 into the power. Got it? So the answer is going to be 1.6 times 10 to the power of 6. Okay, P divided by Q. Very simple. बस मैं P और Q को यहाँ ऊपर से ले आती हूँ, copy कर लेती हूँ यहाँ से. That's going to become. Let's have a look. This is P and Q. So I'm dividing them. You can write them if you want. ना इसी तरह से कर लेते हैं. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Correct? 8 divided by 2 is 4. And minus 6 minus 11, okay, because there's a minus sign, so it's going to be minus, the powers of 10 are going to, there's a division sign, the powers of 10 are going to subtract. So minus 6 minus 11 is going to give you minus 17. So it's going to become 4 times 10 to the power of minus 17. Got it? And that is the answer. अच्छा जी, let's have a look. अब है cube root of p, वो भी कर लेते हैं, कोई मसला नहीं है. P को हम copy करेंगे. We're gonna bring it down right here. Let's have a look. Cube root. I'm going to cube root everything, correct? Very simple. Listen to me. Cube root. Okay. Do you think if instead of this I write p to the power 1 over 3, isn't it going to be the same thing? Laws of indices के according 1 over 3 is also cube root, isn't it? Because root and power form. Okay. So if I do instead मैं इसकी जगह इस तरह से लिख दूँ, cube root करने के बजाय मैं लिख दूँ 8 times 10 to the power minus 6 1 over 3. Can I do that? Cube. It will also serve as cube root, correct? ओके नाउ हम हर चीज के साथ पावर सेपरेटली डील करेंगे. 8 टू द पावर 1 ओवर 3 दैट विल बी 8. अगर हम करें 8 टू द पावर 1 ओवर 3, isn't that going to be cube root of 8, which is going to be 2? Correct? So this is going to become 2 times. अच्छा 10 के साथ क्या होगा? पावर ऑन टॉप ऑफ पावर का केस है, पावर्स मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगी. So minus 6 multiplied by 1 over 3, which is minus 6 over 3, which is going to be minus 2. So it's going to become 2 times 10 to the power minus 2. That is my final answer. Got it? पक्का पक्का? Okay, let's have a look. दिस इज डिफरेंस. अच्छा डिफरेंस के लिए ना, नो इट्स नॉट दैट इजी कि आप माइनस कर दो आपस में. इसका एक रूल होता है, मैं आपको बताती हूँ. whenever you're trying to add or subtract numbers in standard form, ठीक है, ये जैसे कि ये दो numbers हैं, there is standard form. मैं आपको कहूँगी find me p plus q, ठीक है. तो the problem over here is you cannot add numbers just like that. मतलब कि मैं इन दो numbers को add कर दूँगा, oh that's my answer. That's not how it works. You need to have the powers the same as well if you want to add or subtract, ठीक है. आपकी 10 की power अगर नहीं same, you cannot add or subtract in standard form. It's like surds. The other surds में you couldn't add or subtract because the power was the under root wasn't same, ठीक है. तो in standard form you can't add or subtract until 10 की power same ना हो. तो वो अभी हम करते हैं. Let's have a look. This is the question. Let's have a look right here. Okay, let's have a look. अच्छा देखो, the mass of planet Saturn is 5.7 times 10 to the power 26 and the mass of planet Venus is 4.9 times 10 to the power 24. Calculate the difference. Difference is subtraction, correct? Calculate the difference in mass between Saturn and Venus. ठीक है. अब what you're going to do over here is, okay, what you're going to do over here is, first of all तो आप you can notice right here कि यहाँ 10 की पावर एक 26 है और एक 24 है. It's your choice कि आप किसको सेम करना चाहो. आप 24 को 26 बना सकते हो और आप 26 को 24 बना सकते हो. It's totally up to you, ठीक है. That's up to you, your choice. Your choice, whichever case you, दोनों cases में answer same आएगा, ठीक है. It does not affect the answer given that you follow giving answer in standard form. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make 24 into 26. Got it? देखो, if I want to make 24 into 26, I will add 2 to the power, correct? So if I want to add to the power, हम क्या करेंगे? If I want to add to the power, what would we do? Would we make 4.9 smaller? हम decimal को पीछे लेके जाएंगे, आगे लेके जाएंगे? Yes, any idea? If I want to make 4.9 की power, it's 4.9 times 10 to the power 4.9 times 10 to the power of 24. Okay, I want to add लेफ्ट की तरफ. यस, अब हम नंबर को स्मॉलर बनाएंगे बिकॉज मैं पावर में ऐड करती हूँ. गॉट इट? सो आई विल मूव इट 2 पॉइंट्स टू द लेफ्ट. सो 1 and 2. गॉट इट? ओके, सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बिकम, इसको हम 2 यहाँ मूव करें, डेसिमल यहाँ आ गया तो ये एक 0. दिस इज गोइंग टू बिकम 0.049 times 10 to the power of 26. Clear? Okay, now you want to calculate the difference. Let's have a look. Achha, we want to calculate the difference between Saturn and Venus. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to write 5.7 times 10 to the power 26 minus all of this 0.09 0.049 times 10 to the power 26. You can see now that 10 key powers are the same, correct? So now I can subtract. अब मैं बेफिक्र होकर subtract कर सकती हूँ 5.7 को 0.049 से. If you're having trouble कि वो subtraction किस तरह से करनी है, कोई घबराने की बात नहीं है. Let's do it together. एक simple सा trick होता है subtraction का for decimals. The only rule is कि जब आप subtraction कर रहे हो, you write it like a column and you're subtracting. Remember to, because it's non-calculator, so you should know how to subtract. You need to remember to put the decimal underneath the decimal. अब इसका क्या what does that mean? I'll show you. Have a look right here. I will write 5.7. 5.7. ठीक है, थोड़ा I'll give it space. 5.7 minus 0.049. Got it? ठीक है, डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल, और आपने फिर नंबर्स भी उस तरह से लिखने हैं, तो गिव योर सेल्फ थोड़ी सी स्पेस दे के लिखना है. जो जगह खाली रहेगी, जैसे कि 4 के ऊपर जगह खाली है, 9 के ऊपर जगह खाली है, आई एम गोना पुट अ 0 ओवर देयर. ठीक है, okay. Now let's subtract 0 minus 9. That cannot be done because 0 is a smaller number, so I'm going to take carry from here. This is going to become 6. ये 10 बन जाएगा. इसको भी carry लूँगी यहाँ से 9. This will become 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. 6 minus 0 is 6. Decimal underneath the decimal, और यहाँ भी underneath the decimal. ठीक है? And 5 minus 0 is 5. So the answer should be, and this is in standard form, so the answer will be 5.651. 5.651 times 10 to the power of 26, and that is your final answer. Got it? So you need the little notes that we're going to attach over here is that you need to remember that whenever you're subtracting in standard form, subtracting or adding in standard form, the power of 10 needs to be the same. Okay, whenever subtracting और एडिंग, ठीक है, बोथ केसेस अप्लाई. एडिशन और सॉरी डिवीजन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कोई मसला नहीं है, ठीक है, वो आप एज इट इज कर लो. बट whenever you're subtracting or adding, the power of 10 needs to be the same. Got it? To be same. And that's it. We're done. Now are we clear as well? Oh, any other question?